Place values. In this chapter, you will understand what is place value chart, place value using base 10 blocks, decimal place values, what is the difference between place value and face value, and solved examples on place value. So what is place value? In math, every digit in a number has a place value. Place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. For example, the place value of 7 in 3743 is 700. However, the place value of 7 in 7432 is 7000. Here we can see that even though the digits are the same in both numbers, their place value changes with the change in its position. Place value chart. Place value chart is a very useful table format that helps us in finding the place value of each digit based on its position in a number. The place value of a digit increases by 10 times as we move left on the place value chart and decreases by 10 times as we move right. Here's an example of how drawing the place value chart can help in finding the place value of a number. In the number 13,548, 1 is in the 10,000s place and has a place value of 10,000. 3 is in the thousands place and has a place value of 3,000. 5 is in the hundreds place and has a place value of 500. 4 is in the tens place and has a place value of 40. 8 is in the ones place and has a place value of 8. Understanding the place value of digits in numbers helps comparing numbers. It also helps in writing numbers in their expanded form. For instance, the expanded form of the number above 13,548 is 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 500. Place value using base 10 blocks. The place value of digits in numbers can also be represented using base 10 blocks and can help us write numbers in their expanded form. Before using the base 10 blocks to find the place value of each digit in a number, let us first understand what these blocks represent. Thousands is a cube. Hundreds is flat / a square. Tens is a rod. Units or ones is. Here's how the number 13,548 can be represented using base 10 blocks. Decimal place value. Decimal numbers are fractions or mixed numbers with denominators of powers of 10. In a decimal number, the digits to the left of the decimal point represent a whole number. The digits to the right of the decimal represent the parts. As we move towards the right after the decimal points, the place value of the digit becomes 10 times smaller. The first digit on the right of the decimal point means tenth or 110. The next place becomes 10 times smaller and is called the hundredths or 1100 and so on. In 27.356, 27 is the whole number part. 2 is in tens place and its place value is 20. 7 is in ones place and its place value is 7. There are 3 digits to the right of the decimal point. 3 is in the tens place and its place value is 0.3 or 310. 5 is in the hundreds place and its place value is 0.05 or 5100. 6 is in the thousands place and its place value is 0.006 or 61,000. What is the difference between place value and face value? Place value and face value are not the same. The face value of a digit is the value of the digit, whereas the place value of a digit is its place in the number. In simple words, the face value tells the actual value of the digit, whereas the place value tells the value of the digit based on its position. Hence, the face value of the digit never changes irrespective of its position in the number, whereas the place value of the digit changes with the change in the position. For instance, the face value of 2 in both the numbers 283 and 823 is 2, whereas in the place value of 2 is 200 in 283 and 20 in 823. Solved examples on place value. What is the place value of 4 in the number 84,527? Solution. The place value of 4 in 84,527 is 4,000. Write 412,397 in words using the place value system. Solution. 412,397. 3. Write the numbers in figures and in expanded form. A. 10,236. B. 7,485. Solution. A. 10,236 is equal to 10,236 is equal to 10,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 6. B. 7,485 equal to 7,485 equal to 7,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 5. Practice problems on place value. This you have to do on your own. Which digit is at the 10,000s place in the number 783,425? A7, B4, C8, D5. Select the correct answer in standard form. 40,000 plus 4,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 1. A. 44,221. B. 40,421. C. 44,211. D. 44,201. What will be the place value of 8 in the number 13.86? A. 800. B. 80. C. 0.08. D. 0.8. In a 6-digit number, one's digit is 2. Tens digit is 3 times one's digit. Hundreds digit is 5 less than tens digit. Thousands digit is the sum of ones, tens and hundreds digit. 10,000 digit is half of tens digit. Lakhs digit is the difference of thousands and 10,000 disease. Can you find the number? Here are some worksheets on place value. Can this bag hold 10 packets of nuts? I think so. The nuts are around 3 kg. Look, there's a special offer for the apples. I can buy 6 for around $5. How can you find the total mass of 10 packets of nuts? How else can you round the price of apples? Give your answers in the comment box.